guys, Electric Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 MG GS, stock number 7041. It's ran from the 9th 2016 to the 8th 2019. It has an SAS2 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SAS2 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,